there. Out of popular demand, I went into searching for a beautiful home for my clients who are requesting that I start doing tour for luxury homes here in Lekki. So this is me giving you the answer, the response to what you have requested for. This is the mansion, a beautiful 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex here in Lekki. It is massive. It has enough space to park in 5 cars. It is very big, okay? From this point to the backyard where you have the swimming pool, it's a massive home. From what you're going to see here, it will blow your mind. This home is going for an asking price of 450 million naira. It has a governor's consent. So come with me as I take you on a tour of the facility first before we go right inside. So come and see what we have here by the side. You have this greenery here, okay? You have the astroturf grass, artificial grass adorning the compound. You have this beautiful space. Now take a look at the beautiful mansion. From what you're seeing here, you can see that it is massive. It's a massive home here, one of the biggest you'll find in this axis of Lekki. So talking about Lekki luxury home, this is it. This is it. The natural breeze here is something else. Okay? You can feel the breeze. You can feel the breeze from the video. At this point is where we have our swimming pool. You have your water treatment plant over here. This is the water treatment plant. So you have nothing to worry about water. You have your electric fence all over the compound of this particular community, this particular home. So you have your electric fence, and then not to forget your wall line. So at night, these lights will adorn this environment, and you come out and it's glowing, it's beautiful. So enjoy the tour. This is a massive door here. If you notice, all of the mansions I've been showing you comes with a massive door. There's a thing about massive door. It adds beauty to the house, and it also shows you that you are worth the quality lifestyle that you're about to acquire. This is a Bluetooth door. It's a massive door, and it gives you entrance to the antrum where your guests can actually wait for you. It comes with the guest toilet here. Okay, comes with the guest toilet here, and then the beautiful lights, the beautiful POP work. And you have this gigantic wooden door that welcomes you to the living room. Welcome to this beautiful mansion. This is your home. Welcome to your beautiful kitchen. This mansion comes with a beautiful king-size kitchen. It comes with everything, all the finishing you can think of. Every finishing you need to have in a lovely kitchen. You have your control switches for the oven, for the microwave, for the drawers. You have your dishwasher control, the cooker unit, your coffee maker, and your freezer. With a push of a button here, you can turn on and off any of the gadgets in this house. With the light control, okay, you have smart sensor light control all over the kitchen that controls the lighting. Okay, these are your drawers. This is your wash sink. This is what you need. Everything you need in the kitchen is in this house. Everything you need in a modern day 21st century kitchen. Okay? You can look at the material, the quality material for the finishing. For the fittings, it's lovely. Take a look at the lights. So you'll be cooking here and you have lights everywhere. You have the heat extractor, you have light underneath the drawers and the cabinets here. Okay? The whole idea is to give you good lighting for your kitchen. You have your surface border, okay, around the kitchen. You can see that work is still ongoing here, and we're installing these facilities to make your home complete. Now over here you have your CCTV. So if you have a maid or a cook, you can actually monitor them from your CCTV camera all the way from your master's bedroom. Over here you have the back door, okay, so the outside, and then you have a store, a massive store here, where you can actually store all of the kitchen stuff, your cooking materials, your utensils, and all of that. So you can actually store your bag of rice, beans, oil, all of that. So you have this space over there. So what do you think about this kitchen? Is it an A+ or an A++? in this beautiful mansion, your guest room. And this is where you have your guest room here downstairs. You have a massive guest room here. Okay? All of the rooms from all the suites. You have your closet. You have your toilet and bath here, massive toilet and bath. So take a look. Your kitchen and your living room, you have this space underneath this chandelier where you can actually furnish with your seats for your dining set and a lot of simplicity. And when this home is completed, that is, if you're not buying it now, when this home is completed, you may not have to do anything about design. The designs here are very simple, they are modern and they are beautiful. But if you would love to improve the look here, you're free to do so because it is your home. This is your dining room. You can have your dining set here in between the kitchen and the living room. And it is spacious, you can fit in. You also have a glass door, a massive glass door that leads you to the outside, okay? Talking about the living room space, this is massive, this is big enough to house your seats, a very massive middle size seat here. You can also have your console here. Over here, this is particular for your console. You can have your TV over here, a 65 or 80 or 85 television. You can have a look of the rooftop with an adorning, beautiful chandelier. This is something you will love to see. Amazing view from down here. But we're going upstairs to see the magic. Come with me. Even the staircase in this house has something special that unique about it. The lighting. So whatever the case may be, you have lights everywhere in the house. You have natural light coming from the open space, the open window. You have artificial light from the electric bulb installed by the staircase. You have bulb installed on the wall. You have a beautiful chandelier. You have the lighting in the POP. Talk about lighting. You'll enjoy everything about lighting in this beautiful home. So here we are in the family lounge. Upstairs in the first floor, you have this beautiful, massive family lounge or a living room. You can have your TV set here, you can have your seats here. If you have guests that is a VIP, you can actually bring them up here and give them a VIP treat. However, you're free to entertain your guests downstairs, upstairs, wherever you want because it is your house and in your house under your roof, your rules matter. You have a beautiful chandelier adorning the living room, and then you have the other rooms upstairs. Don't forget we have 5 rooms here. Okay, this is the second room. All the rooms on the suite. You have this beautiful closet here. You have this massive space, and then you have your toilet and bath over here. So over here you have your study room on the left, and then on my right is your gym. So take a look at the gym. Right inside here you have your basic equipment. You can actually do one of these. Yeah, but what we have here is something you like. And over here we have this massive door that takes you outside to a veranda. Okay. So while in the gym you can actually come out here and enjoy the fresh breeze, the fresh Lekki breeze. Very beautiful community. The use of space in this house is something you appreciate. There are lots of spaces here that will allow you to do a whole lot of things and to be creative with your home. The third room and the fourth room in this house. Still another spacious room, good cabin finishing, good lighting, good closet, and a beautiful toilet. This is the mother's room, or one of the special rooms that we have here in this house. One of the beautiful things about this particular room is the closets. Okay, that is why it's a special room. This can be another special room in the house. From the closet, the beautiful closet here, to the toilet and bath, the massive toilet and bath. It also gives you a wide view, open glass here, where you can actually have a natural light into the toilet and bath. So this is sizable. This can actually have all your wares, your clothes, your shoes, your handbag, and all of that. In this room, we have this massive door that takes you to your veranda outside. So this gives you access to the fresh breeze and then the community within your estate. I know you love this. So you have this wide, beautiful door. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So it is a security door, a very wide security door. I know you love this. So let's go upstairs. We're going to the last floor. The house is sitting on 2 floors. Now come and see the cinema. Welcome to your cinema. You have this beautiful private cinema here. So what else are you asking for a luxury home? What else are you asking for? Your beautiful home here in Lekki with a cinema, all for 450 million for an asking price. Yes, this is worth it. You will love this. Now the most important part of the house, the master's bedroom. I'm going to blow your mind with this. Come on, see. This is the master's bedroom for our 5-bedroom fully detached duplex here in Lekki. I'll enjoy every bit of it, enjoy every detail here. You have a massive closet here for yourself. This closet will sit anything you want to put in. This closet can take in whatever you throw at it. Your clothes, your shoes, your bags, and all of your precious items. Your diamond wristwatch, your golden wristwatch, all of that can be secured and safe right in here. Wow, this is massive. You have this gigantic bathroom and toilet to yourself as a master of this master's bedroom. Is that you have an access to the back and to the front. You have a back and front terrace. Now let's go to the back terrace first, and then I'll show you the front terrace. Look at this. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This terrace here gives you access to the back view of your estate. Okay, you can see other luxury homes here, and then you can see a sea view. There's actually a sea view in this home over there. Wow, this is breathtaking. So please call me now so that you don't miss this. If this is a home that you're looking for, I'll be so glad that you buy this home if this is what you're looking for. It is luxury on another level. Modern home modern facilities, modern finishing, modern family lifestyle experience. Come and see the front side of the view. And you have another massive glass door here that gives you outside to the frontal part of the home, the rooftop terrace. Wow. This should blow your mind. This should blow your mind. Interesting, right? Call me now. Beautiful rooftop experience. This is the type of home that when you own, you can host any president from any country and you can host any royalty. You can pick up your phone now and call me and book for an inspection. 08113643924. I'll be glad to help you own this home. I'll be glad to help you through a seamless process to own this home. The title is a governor's consent, so you can come for an inspection, do your checks with your lawyers, and then you transact. Beautiful home, beautiful home, beautiful community. You're close to ShopRite here in Lekki. You're close to VI. You're close to everywhere. You are the center of the urban lifestyle here in the Lagos island of Lagos, Lekki precisely. Thank you. 011343924.